Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a simple quick poha recipe. For that you will need 1 green chili, 1 by 4th of the onion, turmeric powder, salt, mustard seeds, lemon juice and 1 cup of poha. I chopped onion and green chilies and I washed poha and drained it. You don't have to soak the poha. In a pan, heat oil and when the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, you can add onion and saute it. Then you can add salt to taste. And add 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then add green chili to it and stir. To this, now you can add your drained poha. And mix everything together and let it cook for a few minutes. Now you can add a few drops of lemon juice and cook for 1 more minute and your poha will be ready to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can get the notification. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.